Okay, now we will discuss question number 3 from exercise 2.4. The question is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So when we are adding 2-digit number, the sum is what? 9. Okay, now suppose one example I will give 5 plus 4. If I am writing 54, okay, so 5 plus 4 is what? 9. This is just an example. Okay, the sum of a digit of a 2-digit number is 9. They have given in the question. Now the next thing is when we interchange the digits, suppose 54 will become what? 45. Okay, so if we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. It means suppose this is the original number 5. If 5 and 4 I have written, just an example, it becomes 9 because in the question it is given that the sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. So I have just taken this as an example. If we are interchanging this digit, 54 will become 45, like 5 will from first place to second place and second place to first place, or we can say 10th digit will become 1st digit and 1st will become 10th digit. Okay, so when we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number. Okay, the new number which is formed is greater than the original number by 27, and we have to find so what is the 2-digit number. Okay, so I am writing, let the ones, or we can say unit digit, be x. Okay, now already I explained y'all that when we are adding 2-digit number, okay, suppose I am taking 54 because 5 plus 4 is what? 9. They have given this thing. Now suppose this is first digit number, this is unit digit number, and this is 10th digit number. If suppose I am not having 10th digit number, so how I will find out the answer of 10th digit number? X I will keep it here. 9, this 4 when it will goes here, it becomes minus 4, and x will become what? 5. So like this we will find the number, right? So it is given in the question that 1st digit and 10th digit, 2 number we are adding. Okay, so it will become what? 9. Now I have taken 1st digit at what? X. So we don't know this number. Now suppose this number I will keep it here, equals to sign also I will keep it here, 9 I will keep it. This plus x when it will goes there, it will become what? 9. So 10th digit number, this question mark is what? 10th digit number. So 10th digit number will become what? 9 minus x. I hope you all have understood the concept how I have done. Suppose this is ones digit number I have taken as x. We don't know the 10th digit place also. So in place of ones I have written x because we have assumed that the ones and unit digit number be x. Now this number we don't know, and it is given in the question when we are adding 2-digit number. It means 1 digit and 2 digit. 54 is what? 4 is in 1st digit and 5 is in 10th digit. Right? So when we are adding a 2-digit number, we are getting what? 9 we are getting. So 1st digit as we have assumed, so I have written x over here, plus 10th digit we don't know, so I put question mark over here. Now suppose this question mark part I will keep it here, is equals to 9. This plus x will move from LHS to RHS, so it will become what? Minus x. So this will become the 10th digit number. Is it clear, students? So I will write 10th digit is equals to 9 minus x. I hope it is clear. Now the next thing which is given in the question is, one more thing I will explain before moving on. Now suppose we are having 54. Okay, now if we are expanding 54, since 4 is in 1's place and 5 is in 10's place, so 5 I will multiply with 10 plus 4 I will multiply with 1. Why I have multiplied 4 with 1? Because 4 is in 1's place, so I will multiply with 1, plus 5 which is in 10's place, so I will multiply with 10. So 5 tens are 50 plus 4 is equals to 54. Same number, only I have done the arrangement like this. So we come to know that ones digit we will multiply with 1 plus tens digit we will multiply with 10. Okay. Now we will find the original number. So how we will find the original number? Original number. This is in tens place, so we will multiply with 10, and this is in ones place, so we will multiply with 1. So I will write 9 minus x. We will multiply with 10 plus 1 we will multiply with x. How I have done the arrangement? Since tens digit is what? 9 minus x, so I will multiply with 10 plus x is in ones digit, so I will multiply with 1. So it will become 10 nines are 90 minus 10x are 10x plus 1x are 1x. So it will become 90 minus 10x plus x will become what? 9x. So this is the original number. Okay. Now after finding the original number, we will find the interchanging number. Interchanging digits. Okay, it was given in the question that original number was supposed for 54, then the interchanging was what? 45. Ones will become tens and tens will become 1. So similarly, this is the ones place number and this is the tens place number. So we will interchange it. It means this will become tens place and this will become what? Ones place. So now 10 I will multiply. Now this is ones, so it will become tens plus ones. This will become ones. What I have done, this was the original number. I have already explained how to find the original number. Now interchanging means x which was in ones place, it will goes to tens place, and the 9 minus x which is in tens place, it will goes to ones place. So similarly what I have done, ones will become tens place, and tens will become ones. So tens place number we are multiplying with 10 and ones digit number we are multiplying with 1. So it will become 10x plus 1 nines are 9 minus x. So it will become 10x minus x will become 9x plus 9. Now this is the interchanging number. Okay. Now one more time I will write the original number and interchanging number. So original number was 90 minus 9x and interchanging number is what? 9x plus 9. Okay, now the next thing which is given in the question, we will write both the number. Firstly we will write original number is equals to 9x plus 9. Okay. Now student, one very important thing I wanted to explain. This equals to sign, what it shows that LHS and RHS are equal, right? If I am writing equals to over here, it means 2 is here, so 2 should be here, then only it will be equal. So but one thing is given in the question that we will discuss. When we interchange the digit, this is the original digit, original number, and this is the interchanging number. I hope you all have understood how to find the original number and interchanging number. So when we are interchanging the digit, it is found that the new number is greater than the original number by 27. So normally what we are doing, that we will plus this is the new number and this is the original number. So it is given in the question that the new number is greater than the original number by 27. See, we all do this type of mistake, that in the new number we are adding 27. But student, it is given in the question that the new number is 27 greater than the original number. It means the original number is 27 less than the new number. But here as it is equals to sign is there, so both the equation should be equal. So what we will going to do, as it is given in the question that the new number, this is the new number and this is the original number. It is given in the question that the new number is 27 times greater than the original number. It means the original number is 27 less. So what we have to balance the equation. This number is already 27 plus 27 greater. So I will add 27 over here. If I will 27 over here, now this will be equal or this will be balanced, because this number already given that the new number is 27. It is greater than the original number by 27. That means we know that the original number is 27 less. That is why I will add plus 27 in the original number so that it will be balanced. I hope it is clear. Now we will simply solve it. So here it is what? 90 plus 27. 90 plus 27 will be what? 7, 11. 170 minus 9x is equals to 9x plus 9. Now 117 I will write over here. This plus 9 from RHS, when it moves to LHS, it will become minus 9 is equals to 9x is already here. Minus 9x from LHS, when it moves to RHS, it will become plus 9x. So 117 minus 9 will become 108 is equals to 9x plus 9x is what? 18x. Or we can write 18x is equals to 108. How it becomes, or I have written how it will become, student. I'll explain that also. Now this is 18x. This is what? RHS. And this is what? LHS. When RHS moves to LHS, obviously it will change its sign. So it will become minus 18x is equals to this plus 108 from LHS. When it moves to RHS, it will become minus 108. Minus minus will cancel. So it will become 18x is equals to 108. So simply we are writing like or like that. Okay. Okay, now 18x means 18 into x is equals to 108. So x will be what? 108 upon 18. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 9 1s are 9, 9 6 are 54. So the value of x is what? 6. Now original number, we have to find the original number. So the equation for original number is what? 90 minus 9x. So I will write 90 minus 9. In place of x, I will write 6. So this will become 90 minus 9, 6 are 54. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 8, it will become 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So the original number is what? 36. Okay. So we have to write the answer. We have to write the answer, that is what is the 2-digit number. So the 2-digit number is 36. I hope it is clear. Okay, thank you.